Good morning. Let's make today's lunchbox. Today I made Keerai kadayal and potato roast for her lunchbox. Heat oil, add in mustard seed, urad dal, peeled and chopped potatoes, add in turmeric powder and salt, saute for 2 minutes, cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes till the potatoes are tender. Finish it with some chilli powder. That's it, your simple potato poriyal is done. For Keerai kadayal, heat half teaspoon oil, add in garlic, dry red chilli and spinach. You could use any variety of spinach. So add in some water and cook for 5 minutes till the spinach is cooked. Add in salt and grind it into a puree. Now for snacks box, it is tapioca. Peel and cube tapioca, add it to a pot, add salt, cook till it's tender. Heat coconut oil, add in mustard, urad dal, dry red chilli, boil tapioca and mix well. Now for mixing the Keerai kadayal rice, you must use ghee. That gives a nice flavor. This is what I packed in my kids lunchbox today. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.